Hello, welcome to Wandering Travelers. So today I'm in a very special place, Lake Tahoe. So Lake Tahoe is a huge lake and it's actually a stunning lake to come visit. But the thing is, I'm actually in California right now, in a little town called Kings Beach. And then from here, I'm going to drive all the way to South Lake Tahoe. And that's a beautiful drive. It's from here to there, it's about a 15-minute drive if you don't stop. But it's beautiful lookouts all the way down. So it's probably going to take you an hour and a half. So budget for about at least an hour and a bit to take videos, photographs, and of some absolutely stunning scenic views. Right, so I'm going to continue driving and I'm going to show you all the different places as I go along. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And again, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support is very appreciated. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hey fellow travelers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below. I started my trip in the northern part of Lake Tahoe in this absolutely charming town called Kings Beach. If you've never been, let me tell you, it's the kind of place that immediately feels cozy. The streets are lined with small shops and the vibe is so laid back. It's the perfect spot to kick off any Lake Tahoe adventure. From Kings Beach, I headed north to Tahoe City, and this is where the magic really began. One spot you absolutely cannot miss here is the Cobblestone Center. Imagine this: Bavarian-style architecture, adorable boutique shops, a welcoming pub, and even the Tahoe Art House and Cinema, where you can catch a movie with a side of local charm. The Cobblestone Center has a little bit of everything: retail shops, professional services, and plenty of opportunities to just stroll around and soak in the unique atmosphere. Honestly, it felt like stepping into a different world, and it was such a fun place to explore. After wandering around, I made my way down to the lake itself. And wow, the views. There's something so peaceful about standing by the water, just taking in the beauty of Tahoe. It's one of those moments that makes you feel so connected to nature. Next, I hopped in the car and started driving south towards South Lake Tahoe. This drive is something else. It's one of those routes where you just want to stop every 5 minutes to take in the views. Speaking of stops, there's one you absolutely have to make: Logan Shoals Vista Point. The views from here are stunning. You get this incredible vantage point of the lake, surrounded by rugged cliffs and endless blue water. It's honestly breathtaking and a perfect spot for some photos, or just to pause and take it all in. Finally, I ended my adventure at Pope Beach. This place is pure relaxation. A long stretch of sandy shoreline, crystal clear water, and the perfect spot to unwind after a day of exploring. I sat by the water, watching the waves gently lap against the shore. And honestly, it was the perfect way to wrap up my Lake Tahoe trip. Later, I decided to stay and soak in the Christmas spirit of South Lake Town. I spent some time exploring the town. It's charming, lively, and has this great mix of shops, restaurants, and that quintessential mountain town vibe. Whether you're grabbing a bite to eat or just wandering through, it's a spot that feels welcoming and fun. Lake Tahoe is one of those destinations that has a little bit of everything: stunning nature, charming towns, and endless opportunities to explore. Whether you're into shopping, hiking, or just soaking up the views, there's something here for everyone.